Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about something very, very important, and that's the number one biggest mistake that I see most people making right now in 2024 when it comes to making money online. So I'm going to break down a few specific things as you watch this video and help you understand why this is really important so you can avoid this mistake and you can help increase your chances for conversions and ultimately getting more sales in your business. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed already, it really does help the channel. Also, ring that bell icon and get notified anytime I upload new content, which is pretty much every single day. You will be the first to be notified. Now, let's break it down, okay? The number one mistake that I see people making right now is not getting people off of their social channels and onto an email list. And there's several specific reasons, three of them in this video, and I'm going to break down why those three things are really important and why you need to understand this, okay? So the email list or your email list can be and should be the backbone to your business. It's the way for you to follow up and drive a message home and increase your chances for leads and sales. And I see so many marketers right now not getting people off of social and onto their email list. And this could come back and this could bite you in the ass if you don't do this process. So, number one reason why you want to do this, and these are in no particular order, I'm going to give you three of them. Okay. So, the number one reason that we're going to talk about right now is your social media accounts can literally get shut down at any time. And please take this experience from me. I have had multiple TikTok accounts and I have lost several of them. One of them even had over 70,000 followers. So I want you to think about having 70,000 followers and you have great engagement on your posts. You're making a lot of money from one specific social channel. And then just like that, TikTok all of a sudden decides that your channel is now against community guidelines and you lose your entire account. You can't get it back and all of those followers are gone. Now, if I had taken those followers, and I did, and pull them off of social, off of TikTok, and put them onto my email list, now I still have access to them. I can still follow up with them, and I can still get them engaged in other social platforms. Okay. So, number one, you never know with social media channels or your social media channel. And I've seen this happen to people on my team over on Instagram, on YouTube, and on Facebook, where all of a sudden those social platforms will decide that you are now ghosted and your channel is still active, but you're getting very limited views. It's also called shadow banned. I've seen that happen multiple times. So social media channels can be fickle sometimes. So it's always best to pull people off of your channels and put them onto an email list. Okay. Number two, how you reach your audience. So in my example, if I had 70,000 followers on one specific channel, you know that when you post a piece of content, whether it be here on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, when you post that piece of content, you're only reaching a very limited amount of your followers. So if you have 5,000 followers on Facebook and you post a piece of content, Facebook is not showing that piece of content to all 5,000 of your followers. It's only showing it to a very small percentage. Where if you had an email list of 5,000 subscribers and you send out an email to all 5,000 subscribers, guess what? Your email content reaches every single one of your subscribers. So it's a better chance for you to hit your entire audience. So I hope that makes sense. And lastly, number three, big mistake that I see people making when not getting people off of social and onto an email list is using something like a Linktree account, where someone watches a piece of content, whether it be on TikTok or Facebook or Insta, and they come off of there and they land on your Linktree account. This is the number one way that you are causing confusion and overwhelming your lead. And ultimately, it just gets them to not pick one of your links and they end up opting off your page. Now, I've seen this happen too many times where someone watches a piece of content and your content talks about one specific thing. Maybe it's making money online. Maybe it's how to do something. Maybe it's downloading your ebook, whatever it is. They come off of your social channel and they land on your Linktree account and you have 15 links for them to choose from. That causes info overwhelm and allows you to not capture that lead, not put them onto an email list, and ultimately not get the sale because you are causing more damage than you really need to. When if you had just given them a one opt-in page, single choice, and this is why I take people to a simple opt-in page where it's literally just a headline, subheadline, enter your name, enter your email, opt in, and it's one simple choice for your lead. They come off of your social channel, they land on your opt-in page, and it's really simple what you're asking them to do, and there's no confusion. So I hope that makes sense for you. So those are the three things, and those are the number one biggest mistakes to avoid right now is not getting people off of your social channels and on to an email list. And I can tell you this, please hear me out, and I'm saving the best lesson for last, my friend. You've probably heard the expression, the money is in the list, and it certainly is. But there's a second part to that phrase. The money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up. And over the last 7 years of making money online, 6 of those being full-time, I have made 90% of all of my sales with follow-up. And email has a huge part to do in that. So instant sales are great and they do happen, but you will increase your chance for more sales by following up with your leads and using an email list. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Also, drop a comment down below. If you made it to this point in the video and you are not yet subscribed, please do me a favor and go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, my friend. I will see you on the next one. Take care.